Hello everybody, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I just want to show you a quick cloth seat. So, light fabric. I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I got my Craftsman vacuum cleaner here. I'm going to vacuum it out really good. Just try to get any loose dust out of there. So we're going to fire it up here. Be a little noisy. Alright, nothing crazy, wasn't that dusty, so I'm going to show you what I do next. Alright, got my soft bristle brush, so I'm going to do just this top section here. I got my Superior Image interior spray, so I'm going pretty thick because this is pretty dark here. I want it to foam up. Obviously start at the top, work your way down. Use your microfiber, just rub that in there. I'm gonna fold this in fours here. Get a little more. I mean, that first pass, that's huge difference. But that's how easy it can be, unless it's a specific stain. Then of course, like my other videos, you got your you have your citrus, you have your protein stain remover, you have your tannin stain remover. Looks like my clip tip is clogged here a little bit, so I'm just gonna go another little lighter. Okay, agitate it again. So I'm just lifting it up, pulling that dirt and those. Fold my rag. And I'm going to work through it. So I'm going to do section by section. If there's any other difficult parts here, I'll add another section to the video, and then I'll show you an afterwards. But that's simple. Let me show you the product I used. It is Superior Image Interior DG Interior Cleaner. It's concentrated. Majority of Superior Image's stuff is all concentrated. So heavy strength 10-to-1, medium strength 20-to-1, light strength 30-to-1. So as you can see, huge difference. We'll be back. All right, I'm going to show you a quick after here. It was a challenge. As you can see, the seats got extremely lighter. Really cleaned them well. There's still some spots on here, as I have this microfiber weave on here, just kind of soaking up. So you'll see there's still a few little stains on there, but it's clean. It's a lot brighter than what it was. You know, I took the whole gauntlet on this one, through the stain removers and everything else, so you know, you can see the dramatic improvement on that. You just got to keep going and doing it. This is a 4-hour detail today, so I did the best I could with the seats and got some pretty good results. So I did a complete detail, washed it by hand, clay barred it, and clean the interior. 4 hours. Have a great day, everybody. Have any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.